Hello, Job Doer here, and today we have a faucet issue. You can see here this one's past its prime, has a little problem when you turn it on. Yeah, there's that. There's this thing over here. Look at that, all kind of falling apart there. It's full of gunk. And so this one here is going to be replaced, and we're going to put a new one in. You can see it's kind of leaking there, and there's some leaking back here. Yeah, something here. Use the other. And yeah. So first off, get down low here underneath the sink, and you can see here a couple of valves, so that might be good. You can see it's wet down here, so that means it's leaking. You can see it dripping right now, in fact. So we'll turn off the water to those valves, and hopefully have no problem with them. So let me turn off those valves here, and actually, let's see if I can get down here. Alrighty. Okay, so a couple valves. Hot water, cold water. A little crusty, yeah. But it's in. Try this one here. Yeah, a little crusty too. But it's turning. And it is in also. Yeah, it smells a little bit because and there's mold. That could be mold. Yeah. So next job after this faucet, probably rip all this stuff here out and get something new in there. And it sounds like it's still leaking. So I'll go back up top and relieve the pressure. And yeah, I'll get back to you. Alright, back up top here with the pressure. Make sure it's not working no more. It ain't, it's dead. And that is good. So, next job, we'll get a new faucet, which we got that already. Alright, so a new faucet laid out here. Got a new little sprayer. The little connector which goes to this part back here. We got should be cold and hot, and this here's set for a 3-hole sink. And the sink they have over there, the handle. Sink right over here, we got a 4-hole. Hopefully, there should be 1, 2, 3 holes here, and a 4th one here. Now this one here we're not going to use because the 3rd hole, little spring arm on this guy, goes in here. It's gonna come out of here. And you can find, if you have something like this, you can take this thing out and get a cap that fits in that hole fits in that hole here to cap it off. Stand still. Couldn't find one yet, but I'll work on that later. So now we're at the part, and we'll start to take off this part down here. So what we'll do, we'll get some paper towels. If you have a regular towel, that's fine. We'll get some paper towels down there and go back below. All right. And we'll just see what we're up against here. Now, maybe you guys can look up there, see what's going on. Let's see. So you can see where the water goes in there, and then looks like there's something there, hopefully, and something on this side here. And so I'm going to undo those fittings and undo if there's something over here on that side there, which I can't even see from here. Looks like there's a little nippet of something. Undo those, and the old faucet should come out. Let's see what happens. Alright, so since it's pretty tight up there, I got a pair of these. So we'll see what happens here. Well, once again, need 2 hands. Alright. Dark. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to try this a little different way. We got this thing here to take out from the top. And whoa, what's this? Whoa, back, beast, back, 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 back. No, back, back, down, Simba, down. Then I gotta work alone here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Off we go. Anyways, so I got this part here, and there's two studs that come down from the top. And so I'm gonna take this one down from the right side, which I did, this one, and I'll take the one from the left side. And then I'll do these fittings here, and hopefully pull it up there. So we'll try it out and see what happens. Alright, so I got the other one done here. A little bit of a pain. Had to break some stuff. So now we're doing this part here. We're going to loosen. And there should be some water coming out, but it shouldn't be enough to flood your house. That's why I got these paper towels down here. Yeah. Look at that. Nice. So get the other one off. Word of caution, don't bump the black piping. You don't want that leaking. That's another headache to do. Alright, so this is done now. Now we'll go up top. Alright, so we're back up top here. We got this old one. Give it a little pull. And take a little look at this. So, we got them hoses connected in there. And it looks like the one in the back, right in the middle there, that one can maybe be unscrewed from here. Yeah, that's what I'll try to do. Unscrew that one and drop this hose down. That goes down through here. And then hopefully that can pull it out. Let's see what happens though. Alright, we've defeated the hose here. After disconnecting this part here from back in here, we just pulled it up out from there. Right? So that part's done. Now we still got a little bit here. Okay, so those fittings on, it's not going to come out this way, it looks like. And I don't know if I can get to it the other side. So this is where, like, I don't know, a hacksaw comes in handy or something else to cut through this copper. So let me go work on that and we'll get back. Alright, never underestimate the power of a hacksaw. So, got one of the contacts off, and look, it all fits through now. Yay! Yeah. So now, I'll take a wrench, put it on that part here, and see if I can screw this deal. Yeah, that can go away. See me, money, mo. Alright, I'll go put that in the trash. So anyways, wrench on that part up here, and plastic part, hand grip to try that out, and so I can disconnect that pipe there. Yeah, that trash. Alright, so as you can see, we got it out. Fitting down there, see thing, pretty close to the same as this one here. Now, one thing I want to try on this one is it spin? No, it's solid. These here, for some reason, have a little bit of spin, a little play up there. That better not leak. I'll be angry. Anyway, so we got that part there. This here's some kind of a press-on fitting, it looks like, for the hose. And that's sure what we're going to do now. We're going to bring a cleaning crew to clean all this crud up. And then see back here, you can see little cracks. That's no good. So for an extra bonus here, I'm going to take a screwdriver, or if you have a caulking tool, grind out some of this caulking here, and we'll replace it. I'll try to do a whole line of it. And that'll keep stuff from hopefully leaking back there. Of course, if water comes back here, it might leak underneath here. And this part here, I'll probably also... It's a little bit different shape from the new one. This one's more squared. This one has more of an oval side. And so I will maybe do a little bit of bead of caulking just around these holes keep stuff from leaking down there. And on this thing here, some assembly required. Mainly this part here. Now this does not match up into here. This part goes into the top, like so, and like that. And now this part here, if you put this down in the sink, this screws up underneath like that. And you know what? Be a friend and tighten. Not ogre strength. This one here has its own piece somewhere. It looks like the other ones. And so, once again, the one we got now is a 3-hole, but this is set for 4 holes. So I'll be using these 3 here, put it in, and that one we'll put a cap on eventually. Alright, I'll get to cleaning. Get the cleaning crew in, and then I'll be back. Alright, so back at this part here, got this here, flat little screwdriver, and just kind of scrape some of this old stuff away. And switch hands. Let's see. That's still that's the pretty stuff there. This in there. If it breaks loose, you know it's no good. If it sticks, then it's slightly good. Yeah, way back in there. Alright. So how much I got on the tape with that, but there's that part, and then we'll take a little brush or something. Give it the once over like this. Okay. And yeah, so got that part there. And now we will get the 100% silicone caulking, tub, tile, whatever have you. And this is the secret about this silicone caulking, is that once you've used it, you try to reuse it. Doesn't want to work. Hold on. Alright, so I tried poking a hole back in the middle there. I squeezed it real tight. And this here is kaput. But we just happen to have this here. Yeah, a real caulking gun. And this one here is not as old. So I'll pop off the top of this thing. Give it a little squeeze. Of course, it doesn't have to be that old to not work. Alright, let me fangle this up a little bit and see what happens. Yep, there we go. So I did the same thing. Stick the little poker in there, poked it a few times. Now we'll put it up in here and get a little squeeze. Yep, there it comes out, nice and gooey. I'm going to lay it in there kind of thick because I think whoever made this house didn't. And sometimes, you know what? Oh, you can get clogs like that, and you squeeze hard and it comes out. Okay, so that will about do it, I think. Some more down here. And some more back in here even. Alright. So we got that. I'll put a cap on that after wiping it. And then I'll get back to this thing. Alright, now paper towel at the ready. This is another good tip. The best tool to get this thing set in there is the finger. Let me just kind of run it along here. Yep, there we go. And spread out. Now I got to that part where it had a clog. Got past that. Now I'll come from this side way over here. And come back. Alright, now. Paper towel 30. Okay, so now that there is done. Let it sit for, I think it's like 24 hours a day, something like that. make it watertight, and that should keep water from dripping back down there and ruining stuff. Now I'll get back to the plumbing. Alright, so I already did this one here. I got me some adjustable wrench on this part here to tighten down. You just hold that steady while you screw in your pipe. And unlike the old one, this one here is offsetted, as you can see. One short, one longer. And that's helpful. This hopefully means that these will both go down the hole over there, and we won't have a problem. Now, the thing that might not work, but I'll try it anyways, is I will feed in the new tube, which I've been kind of stretching and playing with, because it's like this, all kind of kinkled up. It has this weird fitting here. And from what it looks like, you just push it in, and there's some tabs on it that lock into place. The old one, I like that better because I actually screwed in. But I'm going to see if I can't feed this down through there and bring it back up and hook it up. Yeah. But once again, that takes two hands. So I'll start with this thing here. Wrench on there, that part, to keep it steady. Hand tighten this other part. I might actually do a little pliers just to quarter tighten a little bit more past that. And then we'll get back to the other assembly parts. Okay, so it didn't work out quite right. I had to take off one of the hoses just fitting for the water pipe. But we did get this hose here up here, and we have this fitting here. So I'll try to press the two together and hope that locks in good. Alright, so looks like something like that. Locked in. This part here goes down, and make it look a little bit better here. This is why you gotta get a tripod set up. There. Done. Oh yeah. So now, once again, we'll have to put this part here on a stud that goes underneath here, and then tighten up the part that goes underneath here, and that should be it for the tightening. Then I have to add the hose to the hot water side again, and then connect underneath. So we'll get work on that. Alright, so we got this here put in there and locked down, and under here we've got the water lines all connected. And so if that's all done, just give it a little test out here. Yep, works out good. So this is my job here. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions for jobs, you can add me down there too. Otherwise, thanks for watching.